Annie. It's just a challenge. I like everything. Now I'm going to dip my cookie in the chocolate. And oh, it's unbelievable. I thought it was impossible, but this chocolate made the Oreo cookies even better. I think I have a new favorite snack. It's a little inconvenient to carry this fountain around, but it's totally worth it. If I pour some chocolate into this bowl, it'll be much more comfortable. Oh yeah, Annie, it's just amazing. Amazing, you say? I just had a beautiful feather fly in here. Look how cool it is. Oops. You look awesome, friend. My subscribers are going to love this. Look, I think Annie has a new face mask. You're so funny.
Cool!